Hey guys, this is going to be a quick little voiceover video that I'm doing just to show you guys how I get my eyebrows very natural and filled in. So yeah, boom. Here's my eyebrow and what it looks like. Disclaimer, I really like thick eyebrows, but I'm just too lazy to go get them rethreaded. So most of the time, people think I got them done when really it's just the makeup. Alrighty, so in the video, I'm only using 4 things and 4 things only. It's very simple. They're all drugstore products. The first is an e.l.f. foundation that's way too light for my complexion, but you still keep it. The next one is an actual foundation that is my complexion. Here is a Colourpop eyebrow wiz sort of a thing. And lastly is an e.l.f. regular brush. That's it. That's it. So as you see, my eyebrows are pretty thin. Not thin, but they're just, yeah. They're just lighter than my actual hair, and it's just awkward. I'm taking the Colourpop retractable pencil, and I'm only taking out a little tiny bit to use. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna be drawing a line where my eyebrow hairs are starting on my arch, and I'm just lightly gonna draw a line. So straight across. As lightly as possible too. You don't want a really harsh line because at the end of the day, it's gonna look like you have a line on your face. Nobody wants that. So I'm just following my arch and I'm drawing the line. Then I'm taking the same approach, but I'm gonna be filling in my hairs and I'm going in the direction that my hair grows. So right here, my hair is growing up, I'm going up. Toward the middle of my eye, the hair grows to the side, so I'm gonna go to the side. And going back down to the corner of my eye, I'm gonna be doing little brush strokes going down. And I'm just lightly, cannot stress, lightly doing that. And it's gonna give the illusion of me having thicker, fuller eyebrows when clearly your girl doesn't. Honestly, I just don't. And then I'm gonna take the spoolie. This little eyebrow retractable pencil comes with a spoolie, so I'm just gonna go ahead, just brushing it out, making sure there's no harsh lines, because that's what's gonna really make it look like you are trying to wear makeup instead of your eyebrows just looking nice naturally. Then after I'm done with that, I'm gonna do it the same thing, just a little bit to the top. The line, I'm gonna follow my arch as close as possible to my hair, because this one on top, if you don't put the line, you know, super close to your actual hair that you're growing on your face, it's gonna be so obvious. I'm only taking out a little bit of the product from the retractable pencil and I'm lining the arch just a little bit, and I'm winging out the tail a little bit farther. Now, once both lines are done, I'm going to do the middle. I'm going to shade in the hair in the middle. So same approach. If the hairs are growing up, you're going to go upwards. If the hairs are going to the side, you go to the side and back down to the corner of the eye. Very, very lightly too. All of this is lightly, but you see it's coming along. And it's really easy to, you know, mess up and do like a harsh line, but if you just remember less is more, trust me, it'll come out great. Again, with a spoolie, I'm just blending everything together now. So the 2 lines, the top on the bottom, and what's going on in the middle, I'm just blending everything so that if someone is staring at me, they don't see little lines all over my eyebrows. It just looks like nice and uniform. Here, we're just gonna take your pinky finger and you're gonna find your arch and go down. And that's what give it that little cut. It's gonna give it that like whoosh, preciseness. Here I'm going in with the foundation that I had that actually matches my skin tone with a teeny tiny bit, just a little bit of it to clean it up. This is if you really are trying to look fleeky, you're gonna take a little bit. And then yeah, that foundation that doesn't match me, you keep those for times like this. So you're gonna take a little bit of that And I'm going to take a little bit of the foundation that matches me and we're going to lighten it to put it under to make it really stand out. And we're not trying to look scary out here. So many videos girls put like 3 shades lighter under their eyebrow and it looks like what are you doing? You just need it to be a little bit lighter. You see that? Just a tiny bit. And I'm only putting a little bit too. But you see the difference. You see the difference when you fill it in and you blend it out and everything. It just makes your eyebrows pop out more. I don't know what it is. It's like magic. So yeah, here I am. I'm going very, very close to my eyebrow and I'm just trying to do a nice steady even line, and then I'm dragging it down and I'm going way out past my corner of my eye. And now I'm just blending it out with my finger so that that obnoxious line isn't there on my face, and just blending everything out completely. Boom. Look at that. Look at that, girl. Look at that. So here I'm doing my other side. This is my problem eyebrow, so it takes me a little bit longer. That's why I made that crazy face. But yeah, I just sped it up because I'm basically doing the exact same thing just to the other side. And I'm going to show you what happens when you go way too harshly on that top line. You're going to see how noticeable it is if you don't blend it out. Right here. Don't do that. If you just leave that on your face, you know, your makeup's done, you have on your highlighter, you're like, ooh, highlighter popping. No, it's not popping because you have a line on your face. You don't want that. Just blend it out. And that's pretty much it. It's super simple. You don't need a lot of things. You just need to take your time and use a little bit of product. Less is more. That's it. Thanks for watching.